Welcome to Volza. Do you find certain shipments or companies particularly intriguing, with a story or idea worth investigating? If so, you'll be thrilled to know that at Volza, you can bookmark them, give them a name, write observations, and revisit them later. Simply save a workspace, and next to each shipment on the left side, you will see a heart icon. Click on that, and the shipment will be marked as a favorite. You can even give it a custom name. When you want to find your favorite shipment, just click on the Favorite Shipment tab on the homepage, and you will see all the shipments you have marked as favorites. Plus, every time you or your team downloads any shipment or data from the portal in Excel format, it will be visible in the My Downloads tab. You can also check how much has been deducted to download a particular workspace, and a link to every download is generated for you to repeat the download if needed. You can even check the download history for reference. At Volza, we make it easy for you to keep track of the shipments and companies that matter most to you, so you can focus on what really counts, growing your business. For better clarification, please schedule a detailed walkthrough with our expert team at your convenience. To schedule the walkthrough, you can either click on the booking link on the app.volza.com welcome page, or refer to the video description. Once you've chosen a time that works for you, we'll send you a meeting confirmation, along with our coach's contact details. Additionally, you can contact us for any support through our live chat support or WhatsApp. We hope you find this demo helpful, and we would love to hear from you. Thank you.